Just want to make a little short video here to show y'all something I rigged up. I'm getting ready to wire up my 63 Impala, and I'm not a fan of multicolored wires all throughout a car. So what I've done is I've rigged me up a wire printer so that I can actually print directly on my wires. So I'm going to wire the entire car in black, but every wire is going to be labeled. So basically, I bought this rig a long time ago. It's basically a wire stripper. It spits out a certain length of wire and it'll strip the ends for you, but turned out I really didn't have a use for it. So I've converted it. So basically, I just use it to pull the wires to certain lengths. But I bought a inkjet printing rig. This is the head unit that controls it. You program it what you want it to do. This is where the cartridge goes. It uses an inkjet cartridge that goes in there and it sprays right out of it. And it uses this encoder to determine, how it's printing according to the speed of something coming across the inkjet nozzles. So as this machine pulls the wire through, it spins this, lets the box know the speed that it's going, and it actually prints directly onto the wire. Kind of hard to see it right there, but this is just kind of a little rig that I've made up to see if it'll work, and it works. Here's a bunch of wires I just got through printing. Here's my low beam, fan 1, coil positive, intercooler, injector positive. So it's actually doing pretty good. I'm impressed with it for just something that I kind of just threw together to see if it'll work. Now granted, the little inkjet part was pretty expensive. I actually bought it almost 2 years ago, this little kit with all the parts, and I've just put off actually using it and building a machine. So I decided, since I'm fixing to wire the Impala, I want to make it a little easier and a little nicer, at least nicer to me. So I went ahead and put the machine together, and it actually works pretty neat. So anyway, just thought I wanted to show y'all that, something I think is kind of neat. It's going to make the wiring a lot nicer to me. Like I said, I don't like multicolor wired. I would rather have all the wires black and just have the labels print on them. Anyway, that's all, just a little short video.